karate chop of death. What's good, guys? Yo, boy, No Mercy and Mercy 4K. Wavy Mercy in the building, coming back at another banger reaction video. Today we got another One Punch Man fan animation for y'all. Today we're gonna be checking out Serious Sneeze One Punch Man Chapter 168 fan animation. This is gonna be some more non-insane fire. I'm expecting nothing but heat because these fan animations for One Punch Man, all of them been going crazy. We've seen this shout out to red hair guy, the guy that makes some of them. This video made this one, you know what I'm saying? He be going crazy too, you feel me? Let's check this out. I'm excited. If you enjoy this reaction, want to see more reactions like this, hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. I post every single day, daily bangers for you guys here. But let me know your thoughts down below in the comments. I hope you enjoy. Let's get it. Serious Sneeze One Punch Man Chapter 168. Let's check it out. Bro, they're hitting each other through portals. Nah. Shit! Who? Bro, this dude hit him with a karate chop of death. Damn. Bro, this... Is he not hurt though? Why it look like he wasn't hurt from that shit? Or, you know what I'm saying? That was the craziest karate chop. What do you mean what's wrong? Oh, that was Saitama talking. I thought it was Guru talking for a second. What just happened? Okay, they started moving crazy. He's countering him with just as much power. This guy's all going crazy. Bro, Saitama don't give a fuck. This dude Saitama, bro, his endurance is insane, bro. His power is already broken, but his endurance is also fucking broken. He don't give a fuck. He's a tank. Oh shit. Damn. Oh shit. Oh nah. I'm getting cold. Oh shit. Nobody. There was no longer anybody left. Bro, is this mean is he destroying that planet, bro? Did he just destroy half that planet or star or moon, whatever it is? With a sneeze is insane. You lucky you dodged it, cause we saw in here. You saw he moved. You feel me? He moved that. Guru moved at the last second. You lucky you dodged that, cause if you know what I'm saying, would have got caught with that one. That's tough. Oh nah, this dude Saitama is completely just fucking broken. That's crazy though. That's scary, bro. Like this dude. You know what I'm saying? You need to learn how to control your powers though, because that could actually be very dangerous, bro. Just uncontrolled sneeze, destroy the galaxy and shit. That stuff. Destroy all the schools in half the equator, bro. Like shit. You feel me? The Earth's hemisphere and everything, bro. That's tough. You feel me? But look, that was fire. I ain't gonna lie. Can't wait for another one of these fan animations to come out. Let me know when they do come out so I can react to them immediately. Hope you guys enjoyed this reaction though. If you did enjoy, want to see more like it, hit the like button on this video and subscribe to the channel if you are new. I post every single day, multiple videos just like this, bro. You feel me? But let me know your thoughts below in the comments. I hope you enjoyed. I'll see you guys in the next one. If you made it till the end, though, comment down below. Waitama, you know what I'm saying? W Saitama. Waitama is the GOAT. You feel me? W Saitama if you made it till the end. Someone else. See you guys in the next time. Have a great day. And